How to remove limits on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In Settings and Activities, scroll down and then click on Limits Interactions. After you've clicked on Limit Interactions, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Turn Off at the bottom, as you're limiting interactions from recent followers and accounts that you don't follow. After you turn it off, your limits will be removed. This is how to remove limits on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.